Okay, so this is an ashtray a customer ordered. So you'll need lightweight spackling or any type of spackling that works best for you. And this customer wanted black icing, so we got black paint. So this is what it looks like. And we're just gonna take some of that and put it in the cup. You don't need a lot, but I do tend to put more than I need. Yeah, maybe I should stop right there. So then you just take your paint. Come on, paint. There you go. You just want to mix it together. Because this color is kind of gray. Obviously gray and white black and white makes gray. And that's not the color we're going for. So just keep adding black until you get a dark color. And you can do this with any color. If you want a darker, let's say pink. If you add pink to this white, it's going to be a light pink. So you would just add a dash of black to get a darker pink. Next, you want to get your little sleeve. I got this as a set on Amazon. So it came with the sleeves and the, you know what? I don't even know what to call these. Icing thingies. I don't know, but they're these, and then it came with a little tip. If you know how to ice a cake, then this will be easy. You just take it and then like that. Do the bottom the exact same way. Oop. And you can probably expect to get a little on your hands doing this bottom part. That's okay, it washes right off. Oh my God. That's what I get for trying to make a video. Okay, I'm gonna wash this off and be right back. Okay, so I went ahead and finished it off camera because I didn't want to drop it again. Now just let it dry for 24 hours. It'll harden up in a few hours, but I like to wait a whole 24 hours before I move it and shift it and all of that. So I'll be back tomorrow. All right, you guys, so it's been 24 hours and this is how the cake ashtray came out. And this is how you make fake icing. I hope you guys enjoyed this video.